Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey around the world without leaving the comfort of your home? Today, we have a special treat for you. 10 international street foods you can make at home. Travel with your taste buds as we explore some of the most iconic and mouth-watering street food recipes from different corners of the globe. From spicy to sweet, savory to tangy. These international delights are sure to take your home cooking skills to a whole new level. So, grab your apron and let's dive into this gastronomic adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. Number 1. Mexican Street Corn Elote. First up, we have a beloved Mexican street food, Mexican street corn, also known as elote. This delicious treat features grilled corn on the cob smothered in a creamy and tangy sauce made from a blend of mayonnaise, sour cream, lime juice, and spices. Roll the corn in crumbled cotija cheese and sprinkle it with chili powder or cayenne pepper for a kick of heat. The result is a symphony of flavors and textures that's sure to transport you to the vibrant streets of Mexico. Enjoy this finger-licking delight as a side dish at your next barbecue or fiesta. Number 2. Japanese Takoyaki. Prepare to savor the taste of Japan with Takoyaki, a popular Japanese street food. These savory and indulgent octopus balls are made from a batter of flour, eggs, and dashi fish stock. Each ball is filled with a tender piece of octopus, pickled ginger, and green onions. Cooked in a special takoyaki pan with half-spherical molds. They are then drizzled with takoyaki sauce, mayonnaise, and bonito flakes, creating a medley of umami flavors. The experience of biting into the crispy exterior and finding a burst of succulent octopus inside is truly delightful. Make these bite-sized wonders for a fun and interactive appetizer at your next get-together. Number 3. Indian Samosas. Get ready to spice things up with Indian samosas, a beloved street food found across the Indian subcontinent. These triangular pastries are filled with a savory mixture of spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes minced meat. The samosas are then deep-fried until golden and crispy, creating a delectable snack that's bursting with flavor. Pair them with tamarind chutney or mint coriander chutney for a delightful sweet and tangy contrast. Whether served as an appetizer or as part of a scrumptious Indian meal, samosas are sure to impress your family and friends. Number 4. Greek Gyros. Take your taste buds to Greece with gyros, a mouth-watering street food made from succulent and thinly sliced meat, usually beef, chicken, or lamb. The meat is seasoned with a blend of Mediterranean spices and slow-cooked on a vertical rotisserie. Serve the tender meat in warm pita bread, accompanied by sliced tomatoes, onions, and a generous dollop of creamy tzatziki sauce. This flavorful and satisfying wrap is perfect for a quick and delicious meal that captures the essence of Greek cuisine. Number 5. Thai Mango Sticky Rice Khao Nu Mam Yuang. Indulge in a sweet and tropical delight with Thai Mango Sticky Rice, a popular street food dessert in Thailand. This luscious treat features fragrant sticky rice cooked in coconut milk and sweetened with palm sugar. It's served with slices of ripe and juicy mango on top, adding a burst of freshness to the creamy rice. The combination of the sticky and chewy rice with the sweet and juicy mango creates a harmonious blend of flavors that's both comforting and exotic. Treat yourself to this heavenly dessert for a taste of Thailand's culinary treasures. Number 6. Turkish Garslin. Transport your palate to the bustling streets of Turkey with Garslin, a traditional savory flatbread filled with various delectable ingredients. The thin dough is rolled out and filled with options like spinach and feta cheese, minced meat, or potatoes. It's then folded and cooked on a griddle until crispy and golden. The result is a flavorful and portable meal that's perfect for a quick lunch or snack. Serve the garslin with a side of tangy yogurt sauce for dipping, and you have a Turkish delight that'll keep you coming back for more. Number 7. Cuban Sandwich. Experience the flavors of Cuba with the Cuban Sandwich, a delightful combination of roast pork, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard. pressed between Cuban bread. This iconic street food hails from the vibrant streets of Havana and boasts a harmonious blend of savory and tangy flavors. The sandwich is then pressed on a hot griddle, resulting in a warm and toasty delight. The combination of tender meats, gooey cheese, and zesty pickles makes the Cuban sandwich a mouth-watering treat that'll satisfy your cravings for a hearty and flavorful meal. Number 8. Nigerian Suya. Prepare to be wowed by the bold and spicy flavors of Nigerian Suya, a popular street food enjoyed throughout West Africa. Suya is thinly sliced and skewered meat, typically beef or chicken, coated in a flavorful spice mix called yoji. The yoji spice blend includes ground peanuts, ginger, garlic, cayenne pepper, and other aromatic spices. The skewers are then grilled over an open flame, imparting a smoky and charred flavor to the succulent meat. Suya is often served with sliced onions and tomatoes for added freshness and crunch. This fiery and finger-licking delight will take your taste buds on a thrilling African culinary adventure. Number 9. Mexican Churros. Back to Mexico for a sweet and irresistible treat. Mexican churros. These golden and crispy fried dough sticks are generously coated in cinnamon sugar, creating a delectable and aromatic sweetness. Dip them into a velvety chocolate sauce or dulce de leche for an extra touch of indulgence. Whether enjoyed as a dessert or a special treat for any time of the day, Mexican churros are sure to bring joy to your taste buds and transport you to the lively streets of Mexico. Number 10. Vietnamese Ban Me. We end our global street food tour in Vietnam with Ban Me, a fusion of French and Vietnamese cuisines that's as delicious as it is diverse. This flavorful sandwich features a crusty baguette filled with an array of delicious ingredients. Common fillings include marinated and grilled meats like pork or chicken, fresh vegetables like cucumber and cilantro, pickled daikon and carrots, and a spread of mayonnaise or pate. The combination of sweet, savory, tangy, and crunchy flavors creates a symphony of tastes that'll leave you craving more. Whether you prefer a traditional banh mi or a creative twist, this Vietnamese delight is a street food treasure worth trying at home. And there you have it. 10 international street foods you can make at home. From Mexico to Japan, India to Turkey, Cuba to Nigeria, and beyond. These global street food recipes offer a delightful culinary journey that's right at your fingertips. So, why wait for your next travel adventure? Bring the world's flavors to your kitchen and enjoy the excitement of creating these international delights. Don't forget to share your cooking experiences and favorite street food recipes in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!